How to get 40% off on Priceline. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're gonna find the search box, type in Priceline coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers for Priceline. Once you're on this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 15% off, 40% off, 20% off, and many more. Here towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. Then you can copy the code and click on redeem at Priceline. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your hotel and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're gonna find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers for Priceline. So this way you can easily get up to 40% off on Priceline. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.